What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we are taking a look at another new 2025 Matchbox 5-pack. Today we have the Matchbox Construction 7 set. Got this for a very good price, €5. That means €1 per model. Very good deal these days for a Matchbox mainline model. I have to say I'm not too much into construction stuff, but these models, in my opinion, are very interesting because of their deco. As you can see, we have 3 models with a Matchbox Construction deco, 1 ink deco, and 1 model with national parks. As you can see, we have only 1 licensed model, the rest is unlicensed. This is the new 2025 packaging. Our cover model is this guy here, the Road Stripe King. And with that said, let's take a look at the models, and let's start with the Skidster, which is a pretty neat casting in my opinion. Comes in this Matchbox Construction deco. The cool thing about this deco is that all of these models have their own unit number. As you can see, this is unit number 28. And on top of that, we have a little moving part. Of course, this is plastic, the cabin, and also the base is metal, but I mean, it's a very small model. I only have 1 other version of the Skidster, but this, kind of metallic green one looks also pretty cool. Yeah, I really like this one. Let's put this guy into the parking lot. As we go on with this one here, which is the mini Dozer. Let's check the unit number. So this is unit number 29. Once again, I'm not an expert for construction vehicles. The thing is, I'm not really sure if such a vehicle exists with only 1 arm. I don't think that works, but yeah. And why is this called the mini Dozer? Because here's the big brother, so to say, unit number 31, by the way. The camera down. This is the ground breaker. So yeah, as you can see, pretty nice. Let's park our mini Dozer in the parking lot. And let's go on with the only licensed model, which is the Mercedes-Benz Unimog U300 in ink deco. I think this is a very cool deco. I have to say I don't really like this gray base. I don't know why they did that. Maybe it's a licensing issue, I don't know. But if you take a look at other ink models, then you will see that they can do the plastic parts in yellow, and that matches this whole deco really good in my opinion. So yeah, let's get back to our Unimog. I think they should have done a yellow base, but yeah, it is how it is. I only have 1 other version of the Unimog, which is this guy here. I think also from a 5-pack. I'm not really sure. Yeah. So here the colors are matching a little bit better, black and white, Renegade deco. So yeah, let's put our Unimog into the parking lot as we go on. Yeah, with this one here, which is the Road Stripe King. I have to say it's a casting I'm not a huge fan of. So as you can see, here's a little hole, and what you can do is, if you do like that, you can put a pencil or something like that in here, and you can paint some stripes on your table if you would like to do that. yeah, you know, national parks is a really, really cool deco. I guess, yeah, many of you might collect these. My favorite is, by the way, this one here, when they did the Ford Bronco in national parks deco. This is the, what is it called? The FJ40 Land Cruiser. Also really cool. And yeah, once again, these are pretty, let's say, individual decos. We get different numbers, and yeah, this one's saying supervisor, or what does this one say? Eco management. What else do we got? Unfortunately, I don't have too many of these. Lake Patrol. Here we have the snowplow, which is also pretty cool. And yeah, this one, backhoe. And yeah, what is pretty cool is I also got this trailer here with the boat. Unfortunately, most of these vehicles don't have a trailer hitch. I mean, this would look very cool in my opinion. The only one that has a trailer hitch is this guy here. So yeah, I mean, strange pair, but whatever. Let's put that to the side. Yeah, I don't know if this is an ideal national parks model, whatever. By the way, here is the ink version. Yeah. So yeah, I think the ink version is a better one, but yeah. Another edition for the national park stuff, and yeah, our last one is, in my opinion, definitely not the best one of this set. This is the MBXcavator, so to say. We have a moving part. This is unit number 30. Well, I think it doesn't look too good, and yeah, the problem is it's a lot of plastic. I mean, the only metal part is this cabin here. The rest is plastic, and yeah, I don't know. Doesn't look too good in my opinion. Let's take a quick look at all of our 5 models from today. As always, I'm trying to pick a favorite. Yeah. Well, I would say it's, although it doesn't have a yellow base, it's this guy here, the Unimog in ink deco. I mean, it's always cool when they do licensed model with these licensed models with this, with these very cool decos like ink or national parks. I mean, it looks so good. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time.